I joined the unit responsible in the European Commission for Tourism, Emerging and Creative Industries in October. I'm their new head of unit. We have a small but great team working on tourism issues. So for me, it's the first time that I have the opportunity to be present in an event of this kind. And I must say that I have been impressed. So I thank all those who have contributed to the organization of this event. I suppose by now you all know why we are here in Venice today. We know that this morning took place the official launch of the EU-China Year of Tourism in the presence of our Chinese partners. And in the speeches that were delivered earlier today in the Palazzo Ducale, but also here in the Casino, you must have heard, and I hope you have retained, some elements about the objectives of this initiative. So let me summarize maybe in 3 words what we hope that the EU-China Tourism Year will be about. We hope that it will be about people, about dialogue, exchanges, mutual understanding. We hope that it will be about places, how to valorize our destinations, how to make them known and attractive places to visit, how to make more destinations in the European Union known to Chinese, and how to make more destinations in China known to Europeans. And last, we hope that the year will be also about investments on both sides, in the European Union, but also in China. And this is why we're here today, to see how we can make the EU-China Tourism Year a win-win opportunity for the European Union and for China, both leading destinations and travel markets. So I hope today you found opportunities to develop your business activity. I hope you found some new partners, and I hope you discussed about future projects. And future is perhaps an important word in this case, because we'd like to see the EU-China Tourism Year as an initiative that is not confined in 12 months, within 12 months. We want to see in this initiative an opportunity for tourism and travel businesses to grow and work together, not only this year, but also next year, and over the longer term and in the years to come. The European Commission will support more events like this one, and we hope to see more business partnerships coming out. That I can promise you. I can promise you our commitment to creating opportunities of this kind to our businesses. What I cannot promise, though, is that the next business matchmaking event will take place in Venice. And it will be very difficult, Mr. Mayor, to find another location competing Venice. So I wish to thank you very much, Mayor of Venice, Mr. Luigi Brunaro, for the opportunity you gave us to kick off the EU-China Tourism Year in Venice on many great locations and on this unique location. You set the bar very high for us. As I said, I also wish to thank one more time our partners in organizing this event, ETC, ETOA, and ETOA. And I wish to thank all of you for your presence and for your perseverance. It's been a long day for all of us, but I hope it was an interesting one and a fruitful one. And I hope you go back home with many business cards and with many new ideas for the future. Thank you.